Hey there! Today I want to talk to you about how to use ChatGPT for tasks such as language translation and summarization. ChatGPT is a powerful language processing tool that is trained on a large dataset of human conversations and is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, including language translation and summarization. Let's start by looking at how to use ChatGPT for language translation. Language translation is the process of converting text from one language to another, and it can be useful in a variety of situations, such as when you want to communicate with people who speak different languages or when you want to translate a document or website into multiple languages. Here's an example of how you can use ChatGPT to translate text in Python. This code will translate the input text. This is an example sentence into Spanish using ChatGPT. You can modify the target_language variable to translate the text into a different language. Now let's look at how to use ChatGPT for summarization. Summarization is the process of condensing a large piece of text into a shorter version that conveys the main points of the original text. Summarization can be useful when you want to quickly understand the main points of a long document or when you want to extract important information from a large dataset. Here's an example of how you can use ChatGPT to summarize text in Python. This code will summarize the input text using ChatGPT, with a maximum summary length of 10 tokens. You can modify the summary_length variable to specify a different maximum summary length. I hope these examples have given you an idea of how you can use ChatGPT for tasks such as language translation and summarization. ChatGPT is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for many different language processing tasks, and I encourage you to explore its capabilities and see what you can do with it. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.